Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It's April 27th. We had a busy day in the grains this morning. 8 o'clock comes around, and exports come out. And corn, we had 1.4 million metric tons, new crop corn sales. We had China come in and buy some old crop, 120,000 old crop. So big purchases. Guys are assuming all that is China. And that got the market going this morning. May corn, that goes into delivery on Monday, but up 30 cents again, up over that 655 area. We've seen quite a rally in that May contract in the last few days, and it still looks pretty good. But we do have that into deliveries. Deliveries start on Monday. July, though, July still old crop, up 19 cents. You had December up only 2 3/4. So December just not really getting any legs under them. We've got good weather, got a tremendous planting pace, and we're probably still going to find that selling resistance if we do get back above or near that 550 mark. As far as beans, as I mentioned, the export sales in corn, we did have sales again today in beans. China coming in, buying 110,000 new crop, buying 116,000 or 116,000 unknown purchases as well for beans. That's all new crop. So no old crop sales for beans. But still, we had July beans up about 13 with November's up only 3. So still being led by the nearby contracts. This is new highs for beans for the nearby contracts that July. July beans were up 44 3/4 cents for the week. Corn was up 23 1/4 cents with wheat up 26. So wheat just more of a follower. We've been saying that here all week. It's exactly what's happening again. July wheat up about 14 cents today, following suit with that July corn, and remains strong. So we'll see what happens there. We've got the Kansas Wheat Tour starting next week, so we'll take a look at what findings they have there that may put a little pressure on the wheat. Guys are expecting to see some pretty good numbers from that tour. As far as some of the outside markets today, the dollar down about 23 cents, 78.76. Dollar's just chopping around. We've got some pretty good back and forth motion in that dollar right now. Crude oil up about 25 cents today, sitting at 104.80. As we've been talking, 105, we get above that. We've got some decent resistance there with good support down near 100. We're just at the upper end of the range here at this point. Stock market finding about 29 points today. We're actually up about, just a touch as far as the stock market. And the metals, rather quiet. Gold up $4, silver up about 7 cents, so rather quiet for the metals. We've had a lot of action this week as far as the livestock. So talks of mad cow early this week. We've seen the trend in cattle is down. We've continued that trend. Cattle sold off $2.60 this week, and that's with us being up 50 cents today. That June sitting at 112.87. We did have box beef work a little bit lower today, but still overall, we need to get some kind of support in this market. We may find some residual selling from this mad cow talk next week, but the trends are still down. So we need to see if we can recover and get a strong recovery next week to maybe bring some buyers back into this market. As far as the hogs, down 80 cents. Hogs have been pressured the last several weeks. Still looking for a bottom to come in here, but it needs to start with the cash market. As we've been mentioning, the cash market needs to turn first before we're going to start to see futures find some support and maybe try to rally out of here. But down about 80 cents again in hogs, 86.62 for that June contract. Hogs fell about $2.82 this week as well. So sharp move lower for livestock. The trends are down. We need to find some kind of recovery there and some support before we can get some buyers back in these markets. Give us a call with any questions you have, 800-262-7538, or check us out online, allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great weekend out there. I'll talk to you on Monday.